Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the North Bengaluru's most promising residential destination, Thani Sandra, where L&T Realty is bringing an exciting new ultra-luxury residential development. So if you are looking for a spacious home, privacy, premium amenities, and excellent connectivity, then this upcoming project is definitely worth exploring. In this video, we will cover project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. L&T Realty's upcoming residential development in Thani Sandra is thoughtfully designed for home buyers looking for luxury, exclusivity, and spacious living. Spread across approximately 12 acres, the project is planned with 7 to 8 iconic residential towers and around 750 to 800 premium residences offering spacious 3 and 4 BHK and 5 BHK apartment. The towers are planned with a 2 basement plus ground plus 37 floor structure, and one of the key highlights is the project's low density planning with just 4 residents per floor served by 4 high-speed elevators. Another important feature is that the residences are planned with zero common walls between apartments, which means better privacy and comfort. With around 60% open green spaces, scenic lakeside view, contemporary glass facade architecture, and premium specification, L&T Realty is creating an elevated residential experience in Thani Sandra. Thani Sandra is one of the North Bengaluru's fastest growing residential hub, offering excellent connectivity to major IT park, business hubs, schools, hospitals, and lifestyle destination. And talking about the connectivity, so Manyata Tech Park is approximately 10 minutes away. Hebbil and the Outer Ring Road are around 15 minutes away, while Nagavara Metro Station is also approximately 15 minutes away. Yelahanka is around 20 minutes and Kempegowda International Airport is approximately 30 minutes away with easy access to the ORR, Manyata Tech Park, Hebbil and Airport Corridor. With easy access to the ORR, Manyata Tech Park, Hebbil and the Airport Corridor, Thani Sandra offers a strong combination of connectivity and residential convenience. Now let's talk about the lifestyle amenities. So L&T Realty's Thani Sandra development will feature 20 plus premium amenities designed around fitness, wellness, recreation and community living. And some of the key amenities include 60,000 square feet clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games room, multi-purpose hall, landscape garden, children play area, and much more. The combination of a massive clubhouse, extensive green spaces, and lakeside surrounding creates a premium and relaxed lifestyle within the community. And now let's take a look at the different configuration and pricing. So the 3 BHK small residences range from approximately 1600 to 1700 square feet with prices starting from around 3 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK medium residences range from approximately 2100 to 2200 square feet with the prices starting from around 3.75 crore rupees onwards. 3 BHK large residences range from approximately 2400 to 2600 square feet with prices starting from around 4.30 crore rupees onwards. Moving to the 4 BHK option, so the 4 BHK small residences are approximately 3100 to 3200 square feet with prices starting from around 5.75 crore rupees onwards. 4 BHK medium residences range from approximately 3400 to 3500 square feet with prices starting from around 6.50 crore rupees onward. 5 BHK residences are also part of the planned offering with pricing and detailed specification yet to be announced. Prices are indicative and may change based on availability and the developer's applicable pricing, and the expression of interest or EOI window is currently open, giving interested buyers an opportunity to get priority access ahead of the official project launch. By submitting an EOI, buyers can explore priority access to preferred inventory and launch phase pricing subject to the developer's terms and conditions. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.